the greater the responsibility we bear towards others as well as ourselves.
Freedom without responsibility leads to chaos.
Responsibility helps us use our freedom wisely.
True freedom means doing the right thing, even when there is no one around.
Responsibility protects the freedom of others.
Practicing responsibility today prepares us for the future.